In modern world, almost everything seems to depend upon electricity. We use many electronic appliances like fridge, oven, laptops, mobiles, etc. It is really very frustrating at time of outages or power cut. Many families back up to overcome outage issue and plan to purchase generator. But before purchasing a generator, it is better to get an idea from an expert or licensed electrician. He will suggest you best suitable generator for you and your family. Key point to be considered while installing a generator. Install it outside and on stable ground. Install smoke and carbon detector. Never connect it to your home electrical system. Always let cool down generator before refueling it. Remember, safety is for everyone. Do share safety tips with family, friends and neighbors. For more details, please follow electricalfundablog.com.